Hello everyone, Tesla continues to have a fantastic impact onto the world. The new update with FSD, the AI capabilities, and of course Elon Musk himself, how he is providing the steps for the company that the company follows up. This is amazing because Tesla is using these brilliant strategies to craft the future. Hello, my friends. You are watching the Better Future Project, where we are all about sharing positivity, knowledge, and having a good time together. So, what is the strategic vision of Tesla? It's very simple. They have to have an edge. So, in order to diversify themselves from any other legacy automaker, Tesla needs to have a strategic vision of what else they need to do in order to be the best of the best. And of course, Elon Musk steps in. Both legs right there. And of course, we can see that Mr. Elon Musk is providing the steps for this company to build something like its own ETF. It's like it's like a combination of a lot of small companies, like little startups that play a game, and combined they are actually annihilating the market. Tesla is literally unstoppable because of that. Different segments into the company can go to each other, they can change stuff, they can change ideas, and there is no need of hierarchy into Tesla. So the strategic vision for Tesla is simple. Let's produce vehicles and robots and software that can play together in order to craft the world in a better shape. According to Elon Musk, we need to wake up with not just another problem to solve, but with some sort of an inspiration, something to look forward. So, what is Tesla's idea of how they can be different than any other legacy automaker? And of course, they have the best ideas. So far, Tesla is absolutely slaying it. They create new batteries, they work together with another suppliers, they build their own supplying routes, and currently they continue to, of course, segment in different areas. They can see, or specifically Elon Musk and Tesla team, they can see a future of vehicles and transportation that are run on renewables. It's not just that. They want to transform the world. They want to craft it from a petrol-based economies to fully renewable ones. So what is the strategic vision that Tesla has? Tesla is currently on multiple continents. They work with very talented staff across different cultures. And currently they are performing. Their strategic vision is simple. Let's build solar panels, let's build solar roofs, let's build our products like the Tesla Powerwall or BESS systems, BESS systems. So that's big batteries that are used to store energy and of course stabilize the grids across the world. Why? Because if you have this big transition from ICE vehicles to renewable battery vehicles, you're going to definitely need a lot of energy. So in order to balance and even out the production of energy to make sense for us and of course for the world to have zero blackouts, then you need to have a system that works. This is where the strategic vision of Tesla is coming. We're building these beautiful electric vehicles. We're going to make them really affordable. We need to build this production of electricity into a renewable way and accelerate the world towards this transition as well. So what Tesla did, they open source their patents. Of course, if their patents are used with good and produce new vehicles, new materials, new batteries, then even Elon Musk himself says then Tesla shouldn't be there. So at the moment, the speed of innovation is what drives the world, and we can see that Tesla is actually pushing other companies like BYD, CATL, Panasonic, Samsung, etc., to create better products outside of what they've currently done. We can see that CATL is focused, for example, on batteries, and they continue to implement new batteries into what they've already created. So the technology of an innovation in that company is massive. Of course, this is the biggest battery company now in the world. You see that the second biggest one for production of batteries is BYD. They also work with CATL and they also work with Tesla. They even supply some blade batteries to Tesla vehicles. And of course, they proceed and use the profits to create more innovation. What does this create is a whirlpool. It's like unstoppable tsunami of technology that is going to obliterate the rest of the world. So the legacy automakers are in real trouble. We know that the S-curve of change is happening. We know that Tony Seba has explained to us what has happened in the past with many samples, from Motorola to the digital camera, from analog one, from for example, horses to cars. We can see that these disruptions that are happening are because a new technology comes in. Once it hits about 5%, then within 5 years, you're going to cover up to 80%. So whatever else was there is going to be gone, or at least reduced, bankrupt, assimilated, sometimes consolidated. But regardless of that, we can see that Tesla, BYD, Xpeng, and other like new companies, especially in China, are currently forcing the whole market. Even Lucid, even though they're not doing great because their vehicles are still very expensive, they still produce some. And what does this mean? This means one simple thing. Every electric vehicle that is sold is relevant or correlated to one less vehicle that is ICE vehicle that is sold outside on the market. So the strategic vision of Tesla is very simple. They will do anything they have to tackle any bottleneck in order to scale the transition and speed it as well, the transition to renewable energies in the whole world. And I have to say, well done, Tesla. Well done, Elon Musk, for pushing this agenda, because cleaner air, safer vehicles is something that we all need. Less incidents, less accidents, less death. I hope everyone else tries to catch up, because the competition is going to create even more innovation. And we, the rest of us, are going to benefit of it. If you like my content, make sure that you click the like button, you click the notification bell, you never miss another episode. And of course, make sure that you leave any comments, suggestions for another video, or just what are your thoughts about this video. I read all of your comments. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.